Since the appointment because as you all equity and equality. Hii serikali ya Kenya inaweza kututosha sisi wote. Mwisho kabisa pressure from uhuru wa kuabudu katika taifa letu. God has put it together. As we move forward, we will continue to look at the issues that have been raised here, issues of education, and how we can mainstream religious education and find a nexus between religious education and the formal education that we have. So we will look at what we need to do. Mumesema mambo ya waqf, and I agree with you. It is it's taken too long. There is absolutely no reason, and I had a problem with the AG who was there. He was fairly incompetent, but I now have a very competent lady. I now have a very competent lady, and I can assure you that the issues of work will be sorted out.